Welcome back. All you need for this look is a crochet pin, a net wig cap, and crochet braiding hair. Okay, this is the hair I used. It's from Mambo. I think I'm saying that right. And this crochet braid, it was my first time using it. And it already has the loop pre-made in there. And as you can see right here, I only have to pull it through once. And each loop has already like a knot at the end, or I guess to create the loop, which I really loved. It made the installing process super easy. And all you have to do is use the crochet pin. You put it through the loop, you pull it through the net cap, the net wig cap, and just secure it. That is my almost 2-year-old son, and he was sitting right next to me just coloring. And you guys see him there trying to give me a crayon. He wanted me to join him, but I couldn't this time. But yeah, but he is just right next to me just coloring. Okay, now right here, I was trying to figure out how I wanted my bangs to lay because I knew I wanted bangs, but I wasn't sure if I just wanted them to fall straight down or to go to the side. And with the final look, you can see that I decided to have the bangs going towards one side. And also, this hair is 24 inches long, okay? Now, for you girls that love your long hair, which I know I do, you can rock it just like this. But I have a toddler, and he will be yanking on my hair all day, and it would just be in the way if I were to wear my hair this long. So I decided to go ahead and cut off a lot of the length. And also shape the hair a little bit more so it can just fall a little more naturally, and just kind of look really authentic. I always do this with all my wigs. I always go in and trim a little bit here and there, especially to frame my face and the shape of my head, just to give it a very natural look. And I've been doing this for years, and I always love the way that they turn out. And once again, as I am finishing up here, I want to leave you all with a simple truth, and that is to set your mind on the higher things above and not on things of the earth. Always make sure that you're taking care of your inner self first, because it will shine better on the outside. And now, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you here. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.